Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are all barefaced, ready to roll for some skincare that, you guys, I bought this not too long ago. I don't remember the time, honestly, to be honest. I'm so bad with time. We did a little Sephora shop with me and I had this in my cart and I decided to buy it literally 2 seconds after I finished recording the video. This is the SkinFix Barrier Plus Skin Barrier Restoring Gel Cream, and see if it works with my acne prone, kind of dry skin type. Talking about all you need to know and how it feels on my skin overall. So this one in particular is the newest of the SkinFix creams. When I was surfing the Sephora web for that time, I was actually gonna buy the other one, which when I came across this one, it was saying new on it. I was like, oh, this one is for dryness and acne prone skin. So I was like, this is gonna be probably perfect for me. So I really wanted to try it out just for these reasons. It's $62. It's a whooping $62, which is kind of crazy for a 50 milliliter product. But if you think about it, you buy the case once, and if you really like the product, you can then buy kind of refills for cheaper. It's not that cheaper, but I mean, at least you're environmentally conscious when you're buying another one. And talking about environmentally conscious, this is literally all cardboard. Like, it's all cardboard, and it's a pretty nice one, to be honest. Very nice color too. On the packaging, it says that it is made with 26% reclaimed and recycled plastic, which is super nice. So this is all plastic, so I guess you can recycle it at the end if you really don't want to use it anymore. It's vegan and also cruelty-free, which is amazing, and it is tested and recommended by unbiased derms, which I think is pretty funny that it's written that on the product itself. Let's dive into more of the details of this beautiful product. So it is hydrating. It is also good for dryness. There is some niacinamide in this product. It is also good for acne/blemishes. There is hyaluronic acid, and it is also clean at Sephora. So I have had acne for years, and I was asking myself, maybe my barrier of my skin is just really damaged and I need to rebuild it. So I decided to kind of stop having too many active ingredients on my skin and started to focus on good moisturizer. So that's why I took this one, since it was written Barrier Plus. I guess their marketing worked on me, you know. I thought it worked good on me. So, and they also say that it's a lightweight hydrator that combines barrier-nourishing saccharide isomerate with niacinamide, zinc, PCA, and antimicrobial peptides to support skin. It's for normal dry combination and oily skin. Also, there's some highlighted ingredients that we have to talk about, which is super nice. There is saccharides, isomerate 1.84%, and I love that they're putting the percentage on the packaging and on the website, because we need to know how much there is in this product, right? It suits and supports the skin barrier to deliver long-term hydration, which is all that we need, to be honest. There is niacinamide 2% that helps visibly even skin tone, absorb excess oil, and refine appearance of pore size. And there is 1% heptapeptide blend, which support a balanced skin microbiome for a healthy and protected skin barrier, which my skin barrier needs some help. So that's pretty much what the website says about this product in particular. So when I first started using this product, I decided to try it out fully. So I was trying it out day and night, and at first I was only putting 1 pump of the product on my skin, which to me, 1 pump of product, since I am kind of on a drier skin type, it was not working at all. So I needed to put 2 pumps. Considering that I have to put 2 pumps, I'm gonna go through it faster, which is annoying in a way. So that's one of the things I was like, maybe it's not working that much for me. I don't really know. You know, at first I was kind of disappointed with the product, but I was like, I really need to test it out throughout this entire course and to test it out day and night to see if it makes some changes in my skin type and how my skin feels and everything. It doesn't mean that a product doesn't work right away, that it's not gonna work later on. You know, the skin needs to adjust to the product. I kept using it and using it. And the more I was using it, the more I saw my skin change, and the more I saw an improvement in my skin, in the hydration of my skin. I use this as a hydrator for sure, 100%, but this is definitely not enough for my skin. I need a moisturizer as well. That's why I do combine it with a moisturizer with it, since this is a hydrator. Hydration versus moisturizer is 2 different things entirely. So I can combine it with an oil or with another cream that moisturizes the skin as well, just to really make sure that my skin is both hydrated and that it is both moisturized. So I feel like the pluses of this cream is that you have a pump. It's very sanitary, very hygienic. You're able to clean the top if you want very quickly after utilization, so you don't have to grow bacteria on your product, which we don't like bacteria, honestly. Also, you can buy you know, another refill if you really like the product, which comes to a cheaper price, which is amazing in my opinion. You just have to twist it and then it comes out. I think I'm not gonna do that right now. It's gonna splurge everywhere. So before I even apply the product, I really clean my skin properly, which I did earlier today, and my skin was so dry. It doesn't look that dry, but when I do smile, when I do some things, my skin feels tight and you can see some lines coming through. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it properly on the camera, but it does a little bit of lines everywhere. And I don't like this personally, so I just add this cream on top and a good amount of product, always a good amount of product on my skin, and you can see the immediate glow that it gives to my skin when I am working it in. And I like the fact that it doesn't take too long to get into my skin. Even though I apply a lot of product on my skin, it gets in there so quickly. It's insane. Even that I did the kind of like plumpness test, you know, like I'm just like, ooh, look at the bounciness of my skin. So before I even apply any hydrator whatsoever, my skin is kind of like dry and like it's not as bouncy as I would want it to be. And then after I apply the cream, you can see the bounciness of my skin is so much more. It feels much more elastic, it feels more plump, it looks better. It's really great, the effect that it gives. It's a really great hydrator. It's a gel cream, but it's a really, really great hydrator to the skin. If you're missing water in your skin and you have other problems, I feel like this is a really great hydrator for your skin. As I said earlier, over time, it did restore the hydration within my skin, which is absolutely amazing. I feel like I don't have to apply as much on my skin after a while if I use it day and night. Then if I use it only once a day, then I definitely have to apply 2 pumps on my skin. Because sometimes, you know, if I don't go out and I stay inside and I'm away from the sun and I don't put any sunscreen, sometimes, okay, I'm lazy. I admit it. I just go to bed and I don't wash my face, which is a terrible habit to do because it does create a lot of acne. It creates a lot of other things on my skin, which I don't want. Using this day and night definitely improves my skin. And I saw like a beautiful difference in my skin. Honestly, I am using other products with it, so it's just really improving my skin overall with the other product. It's just a beautiful harmony with the other products that I'm using. So I genuinely enjoy this hydrator. It's not miraculous, you know, like a bunch of things needs to be put together, but this one I really recommend it if you want to try a moisturizer that is really, really good. Of course, be careful if you're using a vitamin C with this, you know, hydrator, because there's niacinamide in there and it can cause irritation. So just make sure to look and to do your research before you are mixing and matching some products together. So that's what I'm saying. And disclaimer, I'm not a dermatologist or anything. I just love to do some research on the internet about a bunch of things. So yeah. So I really hope that you enjoyed this review. I really recommend this one if you're looking for a good, you know, hydrator for your skin. This one really good. And if you like this video, make sure to like the video, comment down below, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, reviews, and a whole lot more. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, guys.